How to repair Nissan car key water damage. This key motherboard is like this, including Renault and Benz Smart. For a chip key, the power supply location include pin 4, the fourth corner, and pin 13. Pin 15, pin 4, 13, 15 are power supply. If the car key water damage and not working, just connect these 3 pins to battery supply. Power supply will be solved. What happens after the power supply is working? The buttons above is okay, but the lower buttons didn't work. Why? Because this place is broken, this is broken, and the via is rotten. Button from here, go, 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 go. Walk to the hole. After this via the hole, come to the back. This board is a multi-layer board. Root from the middle layer. Walk the line. Got here. This is the unlock button below it. This is the unlock button. So let's connect this to the unlock button. It works just fine. And where is the car lock button? This. The lock key line comes from here. This resistor is the car lock key. This resistor is the unlocking key. Clean this up at this location. Let us connect car lock button, unlock button. After the 2 keys are connected, the whole thing is done. The car lock button starts from this resistor, flying root key. Fly to this point. Can you see it from this point? Then the unlock button is the resistor from this point. This point is aligned to this point. The same key is solved in this way.